Installing and setting up Postman. Desktop application, recommended. 1. Open your browser and visit. 2. Choose your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. 3. Click Download and run the installer file. 4. Follow the on-screen installation steps. It takes just a few minutes. 5. Once installed, open Postman, the main window will launch. When you first open Postman, you'll be asked to sign in or sign up. You can use your Google login or email registration. Your data will be stored on your computer. Installation process. In your browser, first open a search and type Postman download for Windows or Mac. After typing Postman in your browser, carefully look for the official Postman website. Make sure to click on the official site. Once you're on the official Postman website, look for the download section. Here, you can choose your operating system, either Windows or Mac. Simply click on the download button, and the setup file will begin downloading automatically. This ensures you're getting the official and latest version of Postman directly from its trusted source. After launching Postman, the first screen you'll see is the sign-in page. Here, you can log in using your Google account, email, or even a Postman account if you already have one. Signing in is highly recommended because it allows Postman to sync your collections, environments, and settings across all your devices. This means that whatever you create or test on one computer will automatically be available when you sign in from another. It also ensures that your data stays secure, organized, and backed up in the cloud, so you never lose your work. Thank you.